Red flag, ready! Against them is the mighty Royal Renegades. 4 or 5 times champion, we have lost count. Led by Riley Priyanka Sarkar, defending 162. We will see now who wins this golden crown.
स्पॉट नहीं गोल्डनच्या गोल्डन लाईट
First time champion Lions United or 5th time champion Priyanka Sarkar. Renegades, Royal Renegades. Priyanka Sarkar planning to buy a new house to keep his trophies.
Remember, this is fine. So, the more patient and mindset you have that you want to win for the team,
Well played, Satish.
that's all we have. That's all we have. It's okay. Like even if you face 10 dot balls, don't worry. Be smart and play. Because they don't have bowling. રેકોર્ડ રેકોર્ડ તો નહીં વાત તો અહીંયા
બધું જ આવી ગયું ત્યાં જેવી એડવાઇસ આપી બધું આવી ગયું તું મને દબાવતો છે તે હોય બધું રેકોર્ડ થાય જર્નલિસ્ટ દબાવવાનો ટ્રાય કરે છે આ વ્યક્તિ
Ali Akbar, one of the highest wicket taker of the tournament.
दो और पानी में देना यार मरेगा
Ali Akbar stats for this season is
જો કોઈ એક્સક્યુઝ કર્યું
Yeah,
કે 6 મહિના ઘરે એમ્પ્લોઈડ
What
ફોન આવ્યો હતો
Seven match, 181 run for 9 wickets for an economy of 6.7 and an average of 18. Sponsor to get better boys. Void cancellation might. Nice warm weather.
I think I saw it this one. I saw it on Sunday.
Fuller ball on the offside, played really nicely by Satish Babu. Very classical shot on the offside. Chased by the fielder. Sanjay Ganesh. Chased by Sanjay Ganesh. Sorry, he's very far, so not visible. We are looking for sponsors to get live cameras. So Rahul bhai, you can sponsor us.
Brand new set. Hard rock.
Nice start by Satish.
Three medium. Medium, yeah.
Shot
Good
on
one,
the
good
mid-range
one.
area, played nicely. A half-hearted pull shot. Satish is having a high back left with a very open chest batting style. Trying to play on the square mostly. But nice change of line and length by Ali Akbar. There's one fielder on the square on each side.
नहीं तो यार તમે બિહારી નહીં તો કેમેરા બંધ
Short ball on the leg side. Very wide and rightly declared by the umpire white ball. There was a slight opportunity for maximum runs for Satish, but he could not connect. Nevertheless, white ball, 1 run extra for Lions United. Ali Akbar was trying to target the same ribcage area for Satish.
વસ્તુ રાખો એક વિશ્વાસ
Oh, good length ball, probably the ball of the day.
પેલા સતીશ બાબુ ના આવી
The ball moved slightly on the outside. Not a fuller ball, not a short ball, but the perfect length. Batsman could not touch the ball. Ali is like bowling with a lot of pace.
ओ प्रभा वो आईवी का है आ रहे ना आगू बॉक्स नहीं आ रहे आगे
Short ball on the leg, pulled nicely on the leg side, and it was a good chase by the fielder out there. But the batsman is content with one. Satish Babu is looking very compact, except for the length ball. He has been connecting it nicely.
નાલા બે બોટલ કરું આઈવી એક બનાવી
थल्ला
કયું ભાવ પેશન ફ્રૂટ લેમન લાઈમ
Short ball played awkwardly by Ritwik. Unlike Satish Babu, Ritwik was rushed by the bowler.
मेरी गाड़ी में बैठता हुआ तो बॉल
Nice start by Ali Akbar. 4 runs of 5 balls. Would be thinking to finish this over on a higher note. Batsman also aggressive with Ritwik Reddy. Ball on the offside, played nicely on the off. Good little fielding by Saad Lawai. Very good over, finished by Ali Akbar from Royal Renegade. Just 4 runs of the first over. Both teams playing on the net, trying to find the upper hand in the power play. Chasing 163 for the coveted Tyson Cup 12.
पानी हो गया एक ही बोतल मेरे पास पानी नहीं है
Second over, Rashid Patel from Royal Renegades. Our statistic team is checking the stats real quick. Rashid Patel from Royal Renegades, throughout the season, 7 overs. He has taken 6 wickets with the best of 8 for 2. Play on the leg side. Nicely by Satish Babu. Some strategy that is given by Priyanko. His brain works like a computer with a Claude. He can predict things 5 overs in advance. Fuller ball played on the offside by Ritwik Reddy. The ball is a gentle medium pace.
2 or 3 kilos फायर ये अच्छा जा रहा है
On a land, played again on the offside, straight to the fielder Saad Lawai. Ritwik Reddy trying to find his groove. Ball on the outside again, straight to the bowler, and Royal Renegades have their first wicket. Short, medium pace bowling on the offside. Ritwik Reddy playing half-hearted shot, trying to pull or trying to drive, but ended up playing straight to the bowler. A good catch by Rashid Patel. He gets his first wicket. and Lions United lose their first wicket. They are 5 for 1 in the second over.
हमको देख रहे हैं Don't change your intent. Don't change your intent. Beta.
बॉल है वीडियो राइट से लिया था मैं उसको चांस ही नहीं फास्ट है वो
New batsman Prashant Sharma, an elegant batsman with raw power, usually plays really aggressive. We have to see today how he does on this big stage. Offside ball, gentle middle pace, played straight. On a length ball. Prashant Sharma statistics 10 match 274 runs, of the highest of 87, and a strike rate of 140 throughout the tournament. At the end of second overs, Lions are 5 for 1. A very good start by Royal Renegades. Ali Akbar for his second over. Very breezy bowler, very lengthy run up. On the other side is the elegant Satish Babu. Full ball played very nicely on the offside, but there is Abhishek Party with good little fielding there.
राहुल भैया जी मैच में ऐसी महीना मतलब को हारी उसका कुछ ऐसी मारी मैंने स्कोर जो है तो 200 टोटल रन 200 मैच में तो विकेट खसे लेते थे
Satish was showing all his stumps. This is a very unique batting style that we ever seen here. All the stumps were visible, and Ali Akbar still did not take the bait. He bowled onto his pads, and the ball trickled down on the leg side. 1 run. There was an opportunity for the second. Now Prashant Sharma trying to gauge the fielding. Short ball on the body, wide ball, wider side. Again, there was an opportunity for maximizing those wayward balls.
चला गया ये ટ્રાય કરતી આવવાનું
Short ball again, played really nicely by Prashant Sharma. He came on the top of the bounce, but there is a fielder on the square boundary. Good cricket going on in the final. Ali Akbar is moving some fire here. He hasn't taken the wicket yet, but he's bowling consistent line and length. Nice action.
અપગ્રેડ કઈ તાર ચાલુ કરે ને પેલા પેલું લોનો ફેન્સ કે ખાલી થોડુંક જ પછી હજુ અપ્રૂવ નહીં પછી થોડુંક કે નવું આવ્યું હવે એસી વાળું આવશે હમણાં પેલા
Slower ball and fuller length played on the offside by Satish Babu. Could not time it correctly. Walking towards his one run, conserving his energy on this hot and humid summer of Wesley Chapel.
હવે એનું ફ્લેટ ખુલે આજે પૂરું છે તમે પૂરો નહીં આપતા ને આવું બધું પેલા ટોયટા
Short ball and pull on the leg side and huge. Amazing shot by Satish Babu. Anticipating the bounce. Prashant Sharma. Apologies, but amazing shot nevertheless by Prashant Sharma. It was a short ball, it was a good ball, but Prashant Sharma did not miss that ball and played nicely on the leg side. There was no fielder on the fine leg boundary, taking advantage of the situation.
બધી ઇશ્યુમાં કઈ ઇશ્યુ હોય છે ગાડી વેક્યુમ કરવાના વેક્યુમ વાયુ રોકવા પેલા એની અંદર છે ને બધી ગાડી
Claude
have it, but they just don't implement it in every segment. ગાડી બનાવે
last ball of the over, 13 for 1, Lions United.
જનરેટર તમે બનાવી શકો તો અહીંયા આગળ આપણી ગાડી ઇઝ અ મોબાઈલ જનરેટર but you cannot give me an output.
On the length and what an amazing shot by Prashant Sharma. Hitting it over the head of the bowler. And the ball somehow just stopped before the boundary line. It was good shot by Prashant. He took all that risk, probably deserved more than the 2 runs. But Prashant is looking in good touch. 15 runs of 3 overs.
10 ઓવરમાં આપણે
In this over, there were 5 runs.
એક ઓવર આવી ગઈ
હા એક્ઝેક્ટલી
And runs. So good cricket. 148 needed of 102 balls
એક ઓવર આવી
by 8 runs, 8.5 runs per over.
10 ની 12 ની
Lions United might want to take advantage of the power play, but on the other side is an experienced Royal Renegade side. Ali Akbar bowling fast, left arm action, real nice. And on the other side is Rishit Patel with his slower medium and with all his trickery.
હા वो प्रोफेशनल करता अच्छा करता है वो नहीं इन्हें करवा दे मस्त ना तू कर ले
All his trickery.
हाँ रवि भाई है
नहीं करो भाई, आजा भाई, रवि भाई.
थोड़ी मैच जमा तो पई चाहिए
On the offside, played nicely by Satish and walking again for the single,
એ લોકો એવું વિચારીને જ રમે બે જણ
conserving his energy.
8 રન જ આ જોરે ખાલી વડું ખાકાવાની જરૂર નથી ખાલી થઈ ગયું ખાલી લેવા જોઈએ તો નિલામ પેલા લે ભાઈ એક ઇંચ પાણી લાવે
પડ્યું છે જોઈએ છે પાણી જોઈએ છે
પેલા મારા શૂઝ નું પેલા અદ્વૈત આમાં મૂક્યું અમે ઘરે બૈરી ઘરે મૂકી ચાલતું હશે તો તેમ મૂકી દીધી હોય ગાડી પણ આપણે ભૂલી જાય એ દાડે લે
Fuller ball on the stumps, played on the leg side by Prashant. Good fielding by Leslie Daniel on the long on boundary. being a left-hander, he had to run on the right side. Rishabh Patel, even though he is not bowling with the pace, but he is bowling with a good line and length, not giving anything to the batsman. Slower ball on the leg side, tried to whack it on the leg side boundary by Satish, but could not time it correctly and inside edge, and the ball trickled on the leg side. Again, the unique strategy of just walking the runs. Let's see how that goes on the longer run. On the offside, missed it. Good piece of wicket keeping by Sinu Nair. Prashant Sharma was trying to make the room, seeing two fielders just on the leg side, one on the long on and one on the square leg. Prashant Sharma could not connect, but there is no fielders on the offside, so probably it's a good value shot there. Fuller ball played on the leg side to the fielder out there, Sanjay Ganesh.
આજે સાંજની ગેમના કેવી સીધી સારી ટીમ છે કે સાંજની આ લોકોની તમારી ટીમ સામેવાળી
Fuller ball played on the offside, a slight misfield. Good over by Rishabh Patel, even though not giving any pace to the batsman. 24-1, 4 overs, Lions United at 24-1. With 143 in 96 balls, 9 runs per over. Rishabh bowling very smart, and now Ali Akbar coming for his third over. Ali bowling with pace, Rishabh bowling with lot of creativity.
અરે રેક અપલોડ કરવાનું વાત કરે છે કે YouTube પર બધા રાહ જોવે છે કયો ગ્રાઉન્ડ પર છે તમે આ બાજુ રમવા પડશે એ કારે ખબર પડશે ખબર જ્યારે હું કઈ ઉભો રહીશ તે જોઈશ કે તમે લોકો શું બાજુ મને અંદર લખેલું હશે
Kamran and Priyanka on Miran and Minok managing the situation fielding wise. Both are excellent fielders, but the brain works so fast. Their combination of both Claude and ChatGPT fits inside the brain.
સાબરકાંઠા રહ્યો 5 હિંમતનગર ખેડ બ્રહ્મા ઈડર એ બધું ઓલ ધ વે કવર કરતો આપણે વિજયનગર વડાલી
Showing all the stumps, and there is a fine little inside edge by Satish Babu. Ali Akbar with the right idea, targeting the stumps when Satish is offering all his stumps, but then that inside edge, little inside edge is what that mattered, and 4 runs in the bag for Satish Babu. Much needed boundary in the power play. You would assume while chasing 160, batting team would target power play, but maybe the strategies are different. CSK strategy, take the game longer. Fuller again played on the offside towards Priyanko. Good fielding, and there was a throw there, but nice backup. Good fielding by Priyanko. predicting the unpredictable bounce. Predicting the unpredictable bounce. That is the unique ability of Priyanka.
No ball.
Oh, full pitch. Ball to be hit.
Thank you. Thank you.
No ball.
Let's go, yaar. Let's go. Let's go. Umpire को क्या है यार? Let's go. अबे चल रहा है
There is a slight controversy, and the umpire has declared a no ball for height.
Let's go, Priyank Satish!
There is an argument with respect to the height of the ball, and there was a no ball declared and a free hit. Satish Babu had a juicy ball on the off, so it could not connect it the first time. Now we will see how does it do for the free hit.
ये वीडियो का लाइव
वीडियो के मालिक को
लाइव लिंक मिलेगा 10 मिनट डिले है लेकिन $50 का पेमेंट भी है नहीं पहले पेमेंट करो हमारा वीडियो नहीं है लगेगा
And the free hit was missed by Satish. He was trying to hit the power shot, which is against the skill set he possesses.
તમારા જેવો છે પાર્ટ 2
क्या हुआ?
Young man, yes, part 2.
On the leg side, and high ball, high catch, and why should it go for Sushant Singh? And Royal Renegades are on fire.
Employee camp है नहीं हारू Rocky bhai, I need to qualify for TPL. Can I please
New batsman,
come in tomorrow?
tall, Arun Parekh, experience, played very well throughout the tournament. And today is the day where Prashant and Arun have to combine together for the first trophy for Lions United. Royal Renegades seem to be on fire. They gave that extra over to Ali Akbar. Third over, which typically is not the strategy used by a lot of teams. And Ali Akbar showed why was that over given to them. 2.4, 19 for 1. Crucial wicket of Satish Babu. Now new batsman, Arun Parekh. Let's see what he does. Short layup ball on the body, played nicely by Arun.
Remember this uncle?
We went to his store couple of times to ice cream.
नहीं लाए
Cold Stone.
Fair ball. Well left. My Arun. Amazing comeback over by Ali Akbar. Lions United are 25 for 2. 25 for 2 in the fifth over. And now we have special fielding player, Kadesh. Typically bats on the top order, but used as an insurance by Royal Renegades.
હજુ તો બીસ્ટ બાકી છે ને આપણે
Well known as Cobra, ready to bite everybody.
Cobra! That Cobra!
90 balls, 138 needed.
એ બોલ બે લાંબી હોય
5 overs 25 and still continuing is Mr. Rashid Patel. 2 overs 6 for 1, ending the power play. Is there any power left in Lions United to take advantage of the power play? Yet to be seen.
હા લઈ જાય ગેમ બાકી કેવી રમત રહી ઈઝી ગેમ હતી ને શાંતિ
Length ball, very good length ball. Slight deviation of the wicket. Appeal from bunch of fielders, but no says the umpire. Fuller ball this time played on the leg straight to the fielder. Nice field placement on the leg side. Batsmen are still yet to find their groove. Amazing shot on the offside. Well played on the off. There was a good chase by the fielder there. And guess what? The fielder was able to chase it. Good fielding by Sushant Reddy on there. Very, very well applauded by rest of the fielders.
ટ્રેક્ટર લઈને જવું પડે આ તો શું છે
He has batted very well in the first inning, used all his energy, and now whatever energy was left, he put it for to chasing that ball.
કાલે સારી ગેમ છે કાલે પરમ દિવસ કાલે ને નેક્સ્ટ વીક મસ્ત ગેમ જોયું નેક્સ્ટ વીક તો રમશે નહીં
તો યા
નેક્સ્ટ વીક ફ્લોરિડા હું નથી નેક્સ્ટ વીક
Full ball, played on the going to go to the next side, but an inside edge, and chance for a second, chance for a run out, and good running. Oh, the pad also came out. We need a pad sponsor.
પણ આવી ગેમ મજા આવે અત્યારે બધા ગેમ છે ને એ સારી કાલે
We are trying to get our Foot Locker director to sponsor stadium, grass, everything. We will call it as a Foot Locker Stadium.
पार्टी हेल्प करना यार
Party only offer helps with money. So the Prashant Sharma is crucial for this inning because he is an aggressive batsman and Lions United need momentum in the innings. Royal Renegades, very smart bowling team, has been able to control the power play. 5.4, 29 for 2, only 29 for 2, which is less than 6 runs per over. However, we have to see how batsmen play. They have been trying to hit across the line, which is a dangerous strategy when we have so less fielders outside. There is lot of gaps, lot of field to hit, but they have been playing across. Couple of times they were almost got an LBW, so they have to be careful as well as score runs. straight shot. That could be a shot of the baseball. And straight shot with the line of the ball. Not playing across, but with the line of the ball and maximum runs. Much needed 6 runs for Lions United. There is excellent value for this kind of shots on this field. We have an outfield which is fast. We have nice weather now, not even hot. Good time to bat. At the same time, the water, the rain is to make it a spoon.
Yeah, I know, man. I have to tell Ravi to move. Camera up.
Fuller ball now played on the leg side. There is a chase by the fielder. An opportunity for a second. At the end of 6 overs, Lions United are 36 for 2. 36 for 2. Nice umpiring by both Anurag brothers. Bengal brothers. Umpiring is not only managing the game, but is managing the water also. Bengal brothers umpiring. We trained them in NCC, so nobody complains. All the fielders are checking for rain, but no, this rain is only for making the cooler. Now we have bowling change. Bowling is Leslie Daniel. Left arm, spin fast, medium, everything combined into one. And we have batting Arun Parikh and Prashant Sharma. Prashant Sharma is looking really well for his 20. However, 20 is not enough. He needs big runs from the batsman today. And they are not only playing against experienced Leslie, but they are playing against experienced Priyanko Sarkar, who has strategies for 5 overs from in future. Played on the full. Fuller ball on the offside. Nice bowling and a huge appeal and given by the batsman, given by the umpire. Arun Parikh losing his wicket, LBW, Leslie Daniel. Batsman feeling it was bad, umpire saying pad first. That's the destiny of the game here. Commentator thinks it was adjacent to the stumps, but we cannot see from here if it's a stump or a bat or a pad first. That was a decision that had to be taken by the umpire.
be many different types
Next
of base
batsman
session
is
patterns.
Madhu Reddy.
For the short covering or the
And next
long
B,
liquidation.
the powerful
They
number
want to
7.
they want to
He
hang
has to
their
bring it
hat
home for his team,
on
Lions
that
United
pattern,
today.
Providing a definition of how they should react or respond.
That is correct.
What
That is
it
correct.
is exactly what you're saying. The market profile is nothing more than a tool to help you see potential scenarios, different types of scenarios, by interpreting that information as a basis for making an informed decision.
Yeah, that is it.
Floated ball on the leg side. Played the middle.
Better than the next guy.
An opportunity to hit.
Organize information, that's what you should work on. That's really what the profile software does. Think about it. What is market profile software? What's the purpose of having this chart?
Shot on the leg.
The chart organizes information.
Leg by pads first, I
Puts
believe.
it all into a
Yes,
very
leg by
visual,
given by the umpire.
graphical representation that organizes
This
price
time
and
it was very
time
visible for
in this
us, so we
graphical
can make
manner
the
so that
clock.
in looking at it at a glance, we know, aha.
6.5, 38. Prashant Sharma looking in good
I see
touch.
it right away. Where did we close?
He
Okay,
have
right here.
to
The red
have,
bar
he has
settlement.
to get
Here's the
support
high
from
and the
rest
low.
of the batsmen as
Where's the
well.
kind of tail of the distribution? Well, it's obviously here and here. Not too many people traded there. Let's look at this prior day. Oh, look at this. At a glance. Boom. Nobody traded here.
Pull ball and play on the leg side. Catch opportunity and straight to the fielder. Sushant is the catcher. Perfect fielder in the perfect place. And no mistakes at all. This is a strategy of Royal Navigates. Putting the right player at the right place and quick catch.
Right? Let's just take this day.
Aggressive batsman Prashant Sharma out. Very early for them, very early for them. 7 overs, 38 for 4. It's 125 needed of 78 balls.
High, and then it puts a little line where the closes.
A great opportunity by Lions United. They took 6 matches to reach to the finals, and they should keep their hopes high to win this game and not lose in the 10 overs.
This chart tells me everything about what was happening in here. And that's a huge difference. Huge.
In the phone, can we see now?
They have asked experience.
Only on there, and even on here, it's just a little screen, so you can't really see.
No,
It was, but you'll see it.
I'm pretty sure.
Why do you think the market continues to put in new highs with all the stuff in quotation marks going on in the world?
That's the disconnect that keeps the market moving higher because it likes that sort of wall reporting that keeps the market moving
They have birthday boy, Madhu
This
Reddy.
question, obviously, because it's the obvious question that everybody asks. It's on everybody's mind. It's sometimes on my mind too. But the best, I think, antidote to that type of thinking is just
Good
to
creative bowling by Royal Renegades, looking really good in the finals. Again, probably this is their 6th championship. With the money from the prize money, Priyanka Sarkar is depositing for the new storage area for the trophy. No space at home.
Our fiscal situation is
Rashid
being
Patel continuing with his
in Washington.
fourth over of creative bowling. Medium pace bowling, slow bowling, fast bowling, everything combined into one action.
Reserve currency, and we still have strong property rights, which is actually a very important thing. That's actually something that international markets value is
Missed
what
by
type of property
Madhu.
rights are in that
Madhu,
country.
hard-hitting
That
batsman.
matters what their currency does and rates and what how they're valued, and we still have all that. At the rate we're going.
Fuller ball, played straight,
That's the thing. So
no timing at all.
part of it to me is that I think it's the only game in town. You know, I mean, if you are
38 for 4,
extremely
7.3.
wealthy from another country, well, you need some place to put it all.
Played on the offside, but again there is a fielder there.
Amazon, Microsoft,
Hamran buying.
right? I mean, think about it. When you have
What can
huge amounts
Lions
of money
United do to
parking
score?
places,
What can they do?
and there's no return anywhere. This is another reason why,
why does it keep going up one? Well, where's the return elsewhere? Especially.
Full Wahal played on the leg side, straight to the fielder. Opportunity for a run out. Throw by Priyanko, but just missed the stump. Hands on the head. Hands on the head by Priyanko. The system told him that this could be an out.
I have no idea. And every morning on the way to my office, I listen to Bloomberg.
Change of fielding again.
And somebody
A
mentions
slip in
this
place
almost
for
every
the last
morning,
ball of his
and
time
not
by
a single
amazing Rishik
expert
Patel.
has an answer to this question. And you know, it's unbelievable.
Played on the outside, good timing and opportunity for 2-1 there.
And that in and of itself, even
Satish
though nobody seems
throwing
to understand why,
to the keeper,
is
good
also
throw.
another reason I think why equities continue to
Vishwas
go
Patel
up.
off the
Because
mark
think about it,
with
there's just no
elegant
yield.
2 runs
Not only is there
on the
no
offside,
yield,
8 overs,
basically
41 for 4.
worse and worse every day.
Now the required run rate is 10 runs per over. 10 runs per over. Hopefully Lions United batsmen
Tech was going to pull
are
back big
listening.
time because the yield on the 10-year went to 175. Well, now it's 50 basis points lower. And, go figure. It just
Happy
collapsed.
birthday, Madhubhai.
As much
Happy
as there was
birthday,
fear
everyone.
of,
Madhubhai, happy
interest rates going higher and
birthday.
hurting growth company stocks, just completely fall apart.
We are
So,
looking for party
that's my
sponsor.
take on it. My take on it is like I said, cleanest dirty shirt.
We accept
Only
check,
game in
cash,
town,
credit card,
and then
Bitcoin,
obviously
everything.
the activities of the FOMC, which are, over the top in terms of stimulus and kind of being the person behind the curtain of all this. So I think that if there has to be a reason, I think those are the reasons.
Got it. That was good. Okay, here's a couple of, might as well stay on some questions here, and then we'll go to the future, the outlook for the market, okay? Do your market profile charts increase your focus in selecting and executing trades? And if so, how?
Do they increase focus?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Focus in
Discussions before just about trading in
Played on the leg side, Madhu.
On pretty much every interview that I've had with Terry,
Madhu has a lot of power with him. Today he has to use all his experience.
that's the truth.
Vibration, Dhoni's genes and strategy, everything to come together for this finals.
It's just not my weapon of choice, so to speak. I do plenty of day time frame trading, but mostly in equities. So I feel like I have to say
Clear
that
ball.
first.
Nice flight by Leslie.
I'm not a full-time ES trader.
Minor league player Vishwas Patel against minor league
Part of it
player
is
Leslie
the
Daniel
right, because we're
in
looking
the
at a
major
future
league final.
that, is a proxy for
Short
the
ball on the leg
S&P 500,
side.
for that cash market, and
Nice
also trades
little
24
keeping by
hours
Seaman
and
Iyer there.
gives us indication of
Wide declared by the
what
umpire.
sentiment is overnight,
Appreciate
et
that
cetera, et
umpire.
cetera.
Thank you
So,
for all what you do for the
so to
tournament.
that degree, I would say it's not that granular for me because outside of a few patterns that I know.
Shot on the off and an outside edge. Use a ball, and given by the umpire. Given by the umpire. Amazing catch, and the Royal Renegades are looking too good in this final. Too good. Now Lions United need some sort of magic. They have already lost their 5 wickets for just 43 runs.
Levels that I see.
They have experienced Maharaja, Rahul Desai as the next batsman.
Data points.
Oh no, there is another batsman, Vamsi.
Very, very high regard. Like there's technicals, which to me have to drive everything.
Vamsi has been in good form throughout the tournament.
Granular day level, and then there's profile. And profile is good because.
But can we stop Royal Renegades Juggernaut? Juggernaut to win the 5th tournament final.
What is going on in the candlestick charts of the technicals?
Experience dominating in this final.
The NDX is doing that, and this is what the Russell is doing, whatever. But again, as I showed earlier with this little single print discussion here, right? The profile shows us a completely added dimension on top of
Sweet 50?
what the candlesticks don't show us, and
Golden.
that is what makes it such a valuable
More years
piece
to
of
go.
information.
Madhubhai, what is your plan for next 100 years?
Sure, whatever you like, Terry.
Got it.
Yeah.
How does the profile help you deal with noise and shock?
Well, that's an excellent question. So
New
this
batsman
this
is
fantastic.
Vamsi Krishna
This is
Megla.
a fantastic question.
Flighted ball, played straight to the bowler. Good change of pace by the bowler there.
The profile helps us in that way because it gives you those signals of what I refer to. This is kind of a term that I came up
Inside edge
WWSA,
by the batsman, an intentional inside
which
edge.
stands for
Going for the
when
second
what
run.
should happen doesn't. So, for instance, in the example that we gave earlier, where we know that this is a tight range,
We have players
and
from
it's an
USF
inside,
Bulls
right? It's inside of
who
this
are
range.
not registering
And
their
so you
team
would figure
next
that
year.
being that,
And now they are
given that the
Huntsman
structure
creator.
underneath it is poor,
You are
you could make the argument
graduated
that,
from
okay, the
USF.
market should-
Everybody has
the market
gotten
should
house
do
in Huntsman
when it gets to here.
community, so
You know
now
what
they
the
are
market
Huntsman
should
Cricket
do if
Club.
it went underneath here. If it came into this section,
They
it
had the
should
potential to win the
narrow
tournament,
the single
but
prints and trade
they could
flow
not
and
chase
fill
a
the gap.
paltry
You know what the market
130.
should do. So the way the profile is such a fantastic tool for
The impact was so much that they had to cancel the
is
game.
that when the market doesn't do what it should, meaning, for instance, like classic example,
Team with multiple captain, you should have captainship like Priyanka Sarkar, who has brain of Claude and ChatGPT combined into his head. You can predict everything futuristic. Where the ball will go, who is going to come to bowl, everything is decided.
What's happening is not an initiated move.
New bowler is Sushant Reddy, who played amazingly well, batting first,
This to your advantage. This is huge information.
60
that the
odd
market's
runs
giving you.
while
Because, for
batting.
instance, you buy, and I'm not talking about futures, but let's just pick a Apple, whatever. You gap up.
Left side, right outside the ground, a huge six. Madhu, ball goes in Dhoni Reddy
Down 9-7.
on the leg side.
But now
With this, Lions United have crossed 50
to
runs.
yourself, you know what? What am I going to do with this apple?
51, 10th over.
I'm going to use this to my advantage. Go below here. Maybe it's a sell, but I'd like to see what the tempo is like. Is it fast? Is it slow? What do the internals tell me? Does it break through here on breath?
Leg side, and again, a huge six. Madhu Mendelssohn Dhoni Reddy.
And then you know, should we go to single prints? And we go like this, and we get maybe to here, maybe to this value area.
Let's go!
And we just kind of stall, and then on the boom we rally, and we start to develop value here.
I don't know the scoring has stopped for
Enormous
some reason.
amounts of market generated information have just been dropped in your lap.
9.2. Sushant Reddy bowling floated leg spin and Madhu
कैसे डालेगा कैच?
No change.
ये बॉल पकड़ रहा है मच्छी पकड़ रहा है
Value is developing almost the same. I know that we should have accelerated through here.
nice ball and change of length by the
Just
batsman.
because the market paints a picture or presents a scenario, that doesn't mean that it has to follow through on that scenario and do it. Right? I mean, you know, think about it. That's the essence of how
Fired it ball on the offside, fired it really
I'm not
fast,
saying that's a bad thing.
and
Everybody
it
has
was
losing
almost
trades.
like a
But
Yorker
every
length.
losing trade starts the same way. You
Krunal
thought
Pandya
X was
style.
gonna happen, and Y
And nice keeping by Sinu Nair.
What I'm saying is that
वो बॉल पकड़ रहा है कि मच्छी पकड़ रहा
X
है
is starting to happen. You should be
Fighter ball, the ball was there for Madhu.
Straight, Madana! Straight!
actually gonna
But-
be something.
But there was
Should change your position.
good rotation by Sushant. He bowled the ball with a full heart, whole heart, and amazing batting going on.
That has helped me a lot. In the
Flighted again, but this time slower. Left by Madhu.
what should happen.
At the end of the 10th over, Lions United are 50